Hello everyone, I'm Kaye the Late Bloomer, and this is my first Patreon video. What is Patreon? Well, Patreon is a fundraising platform for content creators, like me, to connect with the fans that love their shows. And the fans can help support the show until we reach certain financial goals. These funds have been coming out of my own pocket all this time, and I'm committed to making Late Bloomer sustainable for season 6 and moving forward with your help. And you can pledge as much as you'd like. There's no limit. And there's no limit to my creativity. The sooner I get more help, the sooner I can be more creative and bring you more stories from my garden and from gardens around, and from gardens around this country and the world. I need to know what you'd like to see on this channel, so please leave me a comment about what you'd like to see here next year. I had an epiphany in 2012, it happened right out there on my parkway, that I would make a web series when there were no other web series, certainly no other garden web series on the web, that I would use all of my talents to bring you stories of inspiration about learning to grow your own food and be kind to Mother Earth. I didn't have a 5-year plan, I just thought it would take off. But the web took off at the same time, and now there is so much content. There are my parrots. As soon as I get more help, the sooner I can bring you more stories of inspiration in the garden. For my patrons, I will have lots of cool rewards, which you can read about right over there, like my loofah sponges. You will have my undying gratitude and the gratitude of all the people who can't even afford $2 a month, because the content will still be on YouTube and it will be free. So let's get started on this journey together. Sign up, become a patron of The Late Bloomer Show, and I'll see you in the next video.